Hello, hello. Welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, I hope all is well. I just finished a photo shoot with Angela and Alexis. So look out for it coming soon. We took a few pictures for our personal business and for notary educators, and we are so pumped up. So listen, today though, I'm coming to y'all with a story about my client. Oh, look at my makeup. That's why I didn't wear my glasses today. I want y'all to see my makeup. Okay. Now that we passed that, let's get to what my client did, okay? Real talk. I've been having some crazy stories recently. So I went to a car inspection signing, and my client, everybody there, so I had the client there, then somebody, the dealer, has to accept responsibility for the vehicle. So I hand him the paperwork to sign, and guess what color ink he pulls out? Green. Green. I was like, did he just pull out a green ink pen? I really didn't pay no attention because, I have another story on my channel where I tell you about I signed a whole package with somebody and they used blue. No, they used black and we should have used blue, but the casing of the pen, I was trying to see if I had one handy. The casing on the pen was actually blue, so I assumed it had blue ink. But it actually had black ink. I was still looking for a pen. We could just use this one. So you pretend that this is that, you thinking it's probably blue if the top is blue or whatever, right? It was black. So we got to the end of the signing and my husband was like, he looking at me, I'm looking at him, I'm like, what's wrong? He's like, the ink color. I said, oh my God. So we had to redo the whole package. That was 150 pages. Go back and watch that video if you have not. So anyway, this guy pulls out, look, this guy, he pulls out a green pen. So before I could catch him and realize that he had green ink, he had signed my documents. And I said, oh my goodness. I said, you can't use green? I said, green? I said, I ain't never had nobody try to even use green. So he says, that's my favorite color. I said, oh, like money, huh? And I'm sitting there thinking, is my document going to be rejected because now he signed it in green? So I went ahead and had him re-sign it on the side in blue. Okay, I had him re-sign it on the side because I didn't want him to trace over the green, and that was kind of my bad because I usually try to say, what color ink do you have? Just confirming with the client, what color ink is that? So he signed it with a green pen like Kermit the Frog. And I'm sitting there looking like, is my paper going to get rejected? Because I didn't have another set. I didn't even have another way to print another one, another copy at all. Sometimes when you go to a signing, there are two copies, and you can just pull out their copy and swap them out if it's a mistake and give them the copy that has the error on it, right? Kind of draw a line through it or just something where you signed it incorrectly or they signed it incorrectly. But in this case, we didn't even have an extra set of documents. So I said, what do? I said, we're going to sign it on the side, the same line. So he signed John Smith in green. And then next to it, he signed John Smith. And I said, that's what it's going to be in blue. And I didn't know if they were going to accept it or not. So fortunately, it wasn't a notarized page. I usually really worry about something being incorrect if it's a notarized page. Because anything else, they could have just sent him a copy of it. The company could have just emailed it to him and say, hey, we need you to sign this in a blue ink and scan it back. Or black ink and scan it back. You know what I'm saying? But if it's if you actually working with a what was I trying to say? I forgot now. But anyway, so you want to make sure though that the ink color is correct. Usually blue or black. Standard in the industry is blue. Most people think it's black. A lot of your loan modifications may be black. But always read your instructions. It's usually blue or black. It's never purple, red, orange, green, all these weird colors. No, your instructions are usually blue or black. So note to self, always again try to ask the client, hey, what color ink is that? And you don't have to be mean about it. Hey, Mr. Smith, I know you want to use your ink pen. What color is that? What color ink is it? Oh, it's purple. Oh, I'm sorry, but for this signing, they require blue or black. That was on me. So teachable lesson for you. Always ask, because if not, you will be going back out there again. And like I said, in this case, it wasn't a notarized document. I really make sure those are correct. But the company still could have said, you know what, this is incorrect. We need you to go back out there for a wet signature. They may not have wanted it on, just a copy of it. They might have said, no, you need to go back out there and get a wet signature. For those of you who do not know what a wet signature, and that means they have to sign it with the ink pen. It cannot be digital. It cannot be anything. It has to be with a pen. So, you know, note to self again, always ask the client. So I hope that little tip will help you. Don't let nobody sign their paper with green ink. Any of them other colors, they may be pretty, they might like purple, they might like pink like me, but blue or black for the signing. Okay, well, until next time, guys, this is Notary Life with Kimmy. Bye.